Looking for your dream job but not sure where to start? In this informative and practical video, we've got you covered with essential tips and strategies on how to find a job. Finding a job can be a challenging process, but with a systematic approach and persistence, you can increase your chances of success. Here are some steps to help you find a job. Self-assessment. Begin by assessing your skills, qualifications, and interests. Understand what type of job you are looking for and what industries or sectors align with your strengths. Update your resume/CV. Craft a tailored resume highlighting your relevant experience and skills for the job you are applying to. Make sure it is well-structured, error-free, and easy to read. Network. Utilize your personal and professional network. Inform friends, family, former colleagues, and acquaintances that you are looking for a job. Attend industry events, career fairs, and networking gatherings to connect with potential employers or individuals who can refer you to job openings. Online job portals. Explore job websites and job boards like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and other local or industry-specific platforms. Create profiles and set up job alerts to receive notifications for relevant positions. Company websites. Check the career sections of company websites you are interested in. Many organizations post job openings directly on their sites. Social media. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn to showcase your professional profile and interact with recruiters and potential employers. Many companies actively search for candidates on these platforms. Recruitment agencies. Consider registering with recruitment agencies or headhunters that specialize in your field. They can help match your skills with available job opportunities. Customize your applications. Tailor your applications for each job you apply to. Research the company and the position, and make sure to address the specific requirements mentioned in the job description. Prepare for interviews. Practice common interview questions and be ready to talk about your experience, skills, and accomplishments. Show enthusiasm and a genuine interest in the company. Follow up. After sending your application or attending an interview, follow up with a thank you email to express your appreciation and reiterate your interest in the position. Be persistent and patient. Job searching can take time, so stay persistent and positive throughout the process. Stay motivated and keep refining your approach based on the feedback you receive. Consider temporary work. If you are struggling to find a permanent position, consider temporary or freelance work in your field. This can help you gain experience, build your network, and may even lead to a full-time job offer. Remember, finding a job can be a journey with ups and downs, but staying focused and proactive will increase your chances of success. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.